Samsung has launched the new range of Galaxy S10 phones in San Francisco a few days before the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. As speculated, we have 3 Galaxy S10 devices this year. Gadgets 360 was in California to take a closer look at the phones. Samsung has packed a lot of features in these new phones in the hope that they appear fresh to buyers. The Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S10 Plus both come with the new triple rear camera setups with dual optical image stabilization that's touted to be as good as an action camera. This comprises of a 12-megapixel 45-degree telephoto camera with an f2.4 aperture. That's paired with another 12-megapixel 77-degree wide-angle camera with dual PDAF and a variable aperture of f1.5 and f2.4. Finally, there's a 120-degree ultra-wide 16-megapixel fixed focus camera with an f2.2 aperture. You get up to 2x optical zoom from the rear cameras along with a 10x digital zoom. The cameras feature a scene optimizer similar to the one on the Galaxy Note 9, only here it can detect up to 30 different scenes as compared to 20 scenes in the Note 9. The camera app can also give shot suggestions to help you compose the perfect shot. On the front, both phones have an in-display camera setup, only it's a single 10-megapixel camera with dual PDAF and an aperture of f1.9 on the Galaxy S10. And on the S10 Plus, there's a dual camera setup with a 10-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel depth sensor. Speaking of which, the display is another major change this generation, with Samsung opting to go with a display hole that the company refers to as an Infinity O display. The camera hole on the Galaxy S10 Plus is significantly more noticeable because of the dual front camera setup. That said, the screen itself could arguably be the best in business. The flagship phones come with HDR10 Plus displays, which is yet to be seen on any mobile screen. Because of this, the screen brightness can go all the way up to 1200 nits. That should make it legible even under direct sunlight. The screen is nearly edge-to-edge on both phones that curves along the edges. The Samsung Galaxy S10 gets a 6.1-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with a 19:9 aspect ratio and 550 ppi pixel density. The Galaxy S10 Plus gets a larger 6.4-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with the same 19:9 aspect ratio and a 438 ppi pixel density. Both phones feature an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. Now, Samsung says that fingerprint scanning on the Galaxy S10 flagships is a seamless experience and is more secure with better anti-spoofing technology. The phones will feature flagship SoCs in all markets. In the US and China, they'll be powered by the 7nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC. The rest of the world will get Samsung's newest 8nm flagship SoC, the Exynos 9820. The Galaxy S10 comes with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and comes in 2 inbuilt storage options of 128GB and 512GB. The Galaxy S10 Plus offers 2 RAM variants of 8GB and 12GB. It also offers 3 storage options, namely 128GB, 512GB, and a whopping 1TB of internal storage. You can further expand the storage up to an additional 512GB via microSD card on both phones. Now, the Galaxy S10 is powered by a 3400 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S10 Plus gets a 4100 mAh one. The S10 Plus gets a vapor chamber cooling system that promises to keep the device cool even during extended gaming sessions. And remember, we said that there are 3 Galaxy S10 variants in the start of this video? Well, in addition to the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus, we now also have the Samsung Galaxy S10e, which according to Samsung offers a premium experience in a compact size. It features the same Snapdragon 855 and Exynos 9820 SoCs depending on which country you're in, and comes in 2 RAM options of 6GB and 8GB. There are 128GB and 256GB of storage options available, along with 512GB of expandable storage support via microSD card. All this is powered by a 3100 mAh battery. The Galaxy S10e features a dual rear camera setup comprising of a 12-megapixel 77-degree wide-angle camera with dual PDAF and a variable aperture of f1.5 and f2.4. Now, that's paired with a 123-degree ultra-wide 16-megapixel fixed focus camera with an f2.2 aperture. It offers a 0.5x optical zoom and up to 8x digital zoom. On the front, it comes with a 10-megapixel hole punch camera like the one on the Galaxy S10. And the Galaxy S10e comes with a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 522 ppi pixel density. Unlike the S10 and S10 Plus, the screen here does not curve at the edges. It also has a more traditional capacitive fingerprint scanner at the back. All 3 Galaxy S10 phones support fast wireless charging 2.0 that's touted to be 30% faster than before. They all come with a wireless power share feature that allows you to charge other Qi-compatible wireless devices by placing them on the back of the phone. They also feature gigabit LTE and are compatible with the next generation Wi-Fi 6 standard. The Galaxy S10, S10 Plus and S10e pre-orders begin from February 21st in select markets and will go on sale in March 2019. Samsung also announced Galaxy Buds, which will be offered free to anyone pre-ordering a Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus in select markets. Besides all this, Samsung also announced a Galaxy S10 5G variant with a 6.7-inch display, 3D depth camera and a 4500 mAh battery. So this was a quick first look at Samsung's brand new S10 series for 2019. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.